what's up, trains and crashes and quads and stuff. So I got a front loader garbage truck here, and it's a Model 1. Let me see. Show you guys. And it comes with a dumpster as well. Show it to you guys, I got it. So, it's a front loader here. Here it is. It loads on the front. Here's the garbage truck. Here's the back. Here is the side. Here's the front. Then here is the dumpster right here. Dumpster. Inside it opens like this. There's the inside of the dumpster. These are to get these forks of the garbage truck is to get the dumpster. I'll show it to you guys in a little bit, so bye. I'll see you in the next video when I do this, when I tip it back, so bye. And I'm gonna show you how it does it, so bye.